How much should you actually spend on an oil stop leak additive? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Lucas Oil 10278. First up is the Lucas Oil 10278 engine oil stop leak. Priced at $11.98. This product immediately caught my eye with its solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,300 reviews. If you want to effectively stop oil leaks and protect your engine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's designed to work with all types of vehicles, which means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. This 1-quart bottle not only helps seal leaks, but also reduces engine noise and oil consumption. That's crucial if you want a smoother ride without constantly topping off your oil. The best part? It's made in the USA, so you know you're getting a quality product. Now, some people complained about it taking a bit longer than expected to show results. Here's the thing though, a little patience can go a long way. If you're dealing with an older vehicle, this might be exactly what you need. This is perfect for you if you own a car or truck and want a reliable solution for minor leaks. Skip this one if you're looking for something to handle major leaks though. For under $12, it's a solid value. Now, if the wait time bothered you, the next one might just have a quicker impact. Product number 2, STP High Mileage Oil Treatment. Next is the STP High Mileage Oil Treatment Plus Stop Leak, priced at just $6.98. With a 4.6-star rating and nearly 1,900 reviews, it's clear many people trust this product. If you're driving a vehicle with over 75,000 miles, this is definitely worth a serious look. What sets this apart is its high viscosity formula. This means it creates a thick cushion between your engine parts, which can significantly reduce friction. The ZDDP oil additive is a game changer for protecting those older engines. This product doesn't just stop leaks, it also rejuvenates seals and gaskets, which is crucial for older cars that might be showing their age. However, some users mention that it can sometimes leave residue if not mixed properly. But honestly, as long as you follow the instructions, it's not a deal breaker. Many users have noted significant improvements in their engine performance after using it. This is perfect for you if you're driving a high-mileage vehicle and want to extend its life. Skip this one if your car is newer and doesn't show signs of wear. For the price, it's a fantastic option for keeping your engine healthy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for performance. Product number 3, Lucas Oil 10279. Now we have a Lucas Oil 10279 engine oil stop leak in a 1-gallon bottle for $29.51. With a strong 4.5-star rating from over 6,400 reviews, it's a favorite among users. If you want a larger quantity that still performs well, this is worth a serious look. This product is compatible with all types of motor oils, which gives it an edge in terms of flexibility. It renews worn seals without causing damage, an important feature for anyone worried about the longevity of their engine. Plus, it helps reduce oil consumption and engine noise, making your driving experience much more enjoyable. Some reviews pointed out that it might be overkill for smaller leaks. But here's the thing. If you've got a larger vehicle or want to stock up, this gallon option can save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you own multiple vehicles or just want to be prepared for future leaks. Skip this one if you only need a small amount for a minor issue. Considering the quantity, it's a good value for the price. Now, if you want something that's a bit more specialized, the next product might fit the bill. Product number 4, Lucas Oil 10278, another quart. Next, we have another entry from Lucas Oil, the 10278 engine oil stop leak, a 1-quart bottle priced at $11.25. With over 6,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a top contender. If you're looking for something that's consistently delivered results, this is worth a serious look. This version offers similar benefits to the previous Lucas Oil product but comes at a lower price point. It works with all oil types and helps renew worn seals while reducing engine noise. What's great here is you're getting effective performance without breaking the bank. Now, some consumers have mentioned they didn't notice a huge difference in severe leaks. But honestly, If you're dealing with a minor issue, this could be just the right fix. It's designed for those who want to nip small problems in the bud before they escalate. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution for minor leaks. Skip this one if you're facing significant oil loss. For under $12, it's a budget-friendly option. Lastly, if you're looking for something that can handle oil dilution better, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 5, LM1005 Oil Leak Stop. Last but not least, we have the LM1005 Oil Leak Stop priced at $19.88. It has an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 7,500 reviews, making it a popular choice. If you want something that specifically targets rubber and plastic engine seals, this is worth a serious look. What's unique about this product is its formulation designed to regenerate seals and prevent oil stains under your vehicle. It counteracts oil dilution, which is a common issue in older engines. For those of you tired of cleaning up oil spots on your driveway, this could be the answer. However, some users reported that it took time to see results. But here's the thing. If you have persistent leaks, a little patience can pay off. Many have seen significant improvements after consistent use. This is perfect for you if you frequently deal with oil stains and want to maintain your engine's integrity. Skip this one if you're looking for instant results. For under $20, it offers valuable protection. In conclusion, each of these products has something unique to offer, whether you're dealing with minor leaks or looking for a more comprehensive solution. They all have their strengths and weaknesses, but ultimately, it comes down to what suits your specific needs. To wrap it up, the Lucas Oil 10278 is great for minor leaks. STP high mileage is perfect for older vehicles. Lucas Oil 10279 offers value in bulk. Another Lucas option is budget-friendly, and LM1005 specializes in seal regeneration. Each option has its own unique benefits, so choose the one that fits your situation best.